नहीं, पर ये बताओ जो इंटर्नशिप करने आते बच्चे आपके पास, वो आपको एसेट लगते हैं, लाइबिलिटी लगते हैं?
मैम अभी के लिए अभी हमने इंटर्नशिप्स ओपन नहीं करी हैं।
वही ना, मोस्टली कभी कभी उनको लगता है हमारा
हो
लाइबिलिटी
जाती है ना,
कभी कभी
ली जाती है।
इट इज बिकॉज उनका मैम इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होता, एंड वी नो इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस वोंट कम लाइक पैदा होते ही बच्चे इंडस्ट्री में काम नहीं करने लगते ऑब्वियसली, बट वी वुड लाइक यूनिवर्सिटीज टू बिकम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ semi research houses, if that makes sense.
Industry also has to be accommodative.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
exactly.
important.
So the universities, I think the future of universities that I see from an industry point of view is they become more of a research houses, and when they have the technologies in the lab to lead the technology, lead the research, the industry will follow the university instead of university following the industry.
It will take time.
It will come back, the whole cycle can reverse up. And मैम ने जैसा बहुत अच्छा कहा था कि research is basic, it shouldn't be just patents, it should be actual working prototypes on a scale. That is the final thing that I would like to say, कि every PhD or master's or bachelor's project, the final year projects, they shouldn't be just paperwork and patents, they should be more like a working prototype. On a scale, it's fine, but working prototype.
See, that has to start. First, you know that in each semester they study the 4 or 5 courses.
Exactly.
First they have to learn how to apply the knowledge of 4 or 5 courses into one problem. So
Yeah.
what we do in our university, we give the integrated project to the student, where all 4 or 5 faculty sit together and define the problem. And under the mentorship of faculty, they make the group of students, they work throughout the semester. At the end they submit their project, which is under the mentorship, and that also lead to the publication of the students, and also they learn that how the knowledge for the 5 or 6 courses is applied to that given problem.
I've done my mechanical engineering in Amity, so I know what happens. Yeah.
Naman, I'd like to add one thing in this. Like in US, for interns, and Dr. Pankaj Mitra raised a question, all the industries, they wait for these interns anxiously.
Yeah,
Because they come up with new ideas.
exactly.
And like I am Ahmedabad interns, summer trainees. In fact, summer training, I don't know why we do it in India. Summers are present in US, so they do summer training. Now we are just watching it, we have done summer. Anyway, that's a different thing. Like Cadbury's and one more company, all the Diwali sales. Ma'am, this is organized, made, everything done by the summer trainees of IIMS Ahmedabad, ma'am. They come up with new ideas. Like I will come with all tried tested things. And you are like Naman, you will come with new ideas, man. Industry is anxiously waiting out there.
I think
Yes.
I think what is happening, sir, कि जैसे my previous experiences has been in Formula One industry, so
Okay.
F1 motorsport, like NASA level of motorsports. So seeing my expertise, like जब मैंने अपना final year bachelor's में project किया था, that was a wind tunnel project with the Mercedes AMG F1 team. In that project, मेरे को डिज़ाइन करना था, थियोरेटिकली सब कुछ बनाना था, बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट दैट वाज नॉट इनफ फॉर मी टू गेट एन A grade. For that, I had to do some practical applications, and the university had a wind tunnel from the AMG F1 team itself.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had a wind tunnel testing. It was a 25% scale wind tunnel. So my whole car, instead of say being 4 meters in length, it was a 1 meter length project. That brings the costs down, but that still gives you enough data so that you can, when you go to the industry, you can like test out.
The prototype was of that, sir.
Exactly, relevant things. Exactly. So I think that is
Very good.
what needs to be taught in the industry, in the universities.
So we have to somehow unlearn the control and increase the or relearn the collaboration and work towards this industry thing a little more. I think इसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा faculty को strongly drill करने की ज़रूरत है, and it will not happen overnight. So we'll have to be patient, but one move at a time. I think we can walk the talk.
Definitely, ma'am.
We can all walk the talk. All right. I do not want to miss Arjun out. He is looking me with those open eyes कि मेरा question रह गया है. One regulation or norm in higher education you wish could be redesigned.
Oh wow, that's a question. One regulation or norm that I wish could be redesigned. Time rigidity.
All right.
I think allow students flexibility to learn at their own pace.
Only in terms of time?
Yeah.
Thank you. That's quick, short, and crisp. Thank you. Last word from you, ma'am.
I must thank everybody. It was a good learning exercise for me also, from starting from youngsters like industry to the stalwarts, and the way MET is doing, especially in the field of say patents and all. Every day almost you must be seeing the ad in TV. अब थोड़ा कम दिख रहा है, वैसे पहले ज़्यादा होता कि इतने patents, highest patent वाला university is MET. So that is what MET was known for, कि patents बहुत सारे, and that is what we should be doing. He was talking about socially relevant research, and the government is also talking about not pure sciences or not pure research or not theoretical research, but socially relevant research. So that is really important. And I feel with the NEP, if it is implemented in letter and spirit, we will see India as a good destination for global destination for, and affordable. When I say affordable is a key word, because our students go to US, UK, they spend a lot of money, but when they come to India, the education is affordable, and affordability is important. Affordability as well as quality. So thank you very much. Thank you Pranav ji and Tanya.
Last
for
thank you
inviting
note
me.
word, क्योंकि मैम ने हिंदी में कहा था. Just to conclude on a little lighter note, हिंदी में एक छोटा सा 2 lines I would like to say, और ये सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के लिए है कि हम दरिया हैं और हमें अपना हुनर मालूम है. हम दरिया हैं और हमें अपना हुनर मालूम है. जहाँ से निकलते हैं रास्ता वहीं निकल आता है. जहाँ पर चलते हैं रास्ता वहीं निकल आता है. तो आप सोचेंगे तो बिल्कुल आप कर सकते हैं. And we are rather all looking up to you to find out those ways, so that the schools follow, so that the industries look up to all the universities कि हमें यहाँ से students चाहिए for internship, for job opportunities, I would like to say. Thank you so much.